What's up, guys? It's Gabby with LongLivVintage here, back with another video. This time it's what I ate during a 10-day challenge. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So during this 10-day challenge, I'm doing intermittent fasting. It's all over the web, it's all over the internet, so you can search and see what would be best for you or if it would even be something that you would want to do. Basically, I eat on a 16-8 schedule. There are various schedules to the intermittent fasting, so you can research and find that out. I usually start off around 12 p.m. with a smoothie, and I try to get as many veggies as I can during that time. And the meals that I show in this video are just 5 days worth of meals. So I'll follow up with another video to show you what I ate for the other 5 days of the challenge. In previous videos, I have done strictly vegetarian meals. I've kind of switched back and forth because what I find with when I do vegetarian is I eat more carbs. It's hard for me to balance that out. So I go back and forth, but either way, I keep it light with the carbs. I try not to do too many meats, more veggies than anything. So that is it, guys. The only thing I added to those meals was sweet potatoes and brown rice for some of the days. You could switch it up however you want to. I drink a smoothie every day for those 5 days. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.